We want to go ahead and do this polynomial division here. And whenever we're dividing polynomials, we need to make sure that all the polynomials we're using are in descending order and have all of their terms. So for instance, we have 2k squared plus 1. Well, we're missing a k term. So when I write this down, I'm going to say 2k squared, and I'm going to put the 0k as a placeholder, plus 1. Then I'm going to divide that into the numerator. And I also need to make sure that I have all of my terms in descending order in the numerator as well. So I have k to the fourth, k to the third, k to the second, but I also need a k to the first. So I'm going to have to put a placeholder there. So this is going to be 2k to the fourth plus 4k to the third plus 9k to the second plus 0k minus 8. And now I'm ready to go ahead and do this division. So 2k squared times what will give you 2k to the fourth? Well, that's just 1k squared. I'm going to multiply back. K squared times 2k squared is 2k to the fourth. K squared times 0k is just 0. And I'm going to go ahead and just put my k to the third just to keep that consistent there. And k squared times 1 is 1k squared. Now I want to go ahead and subtract these terms, but remember in algebra, when we subtract, we can also add the opposite. So another way to say that is I'm going to draw my line, change my signs, and then I'm going to be able to add these. So this is just 0, and 4k minus 0 is just going to give me 4k to the third. And here 9k squared minus k squared is 8k squared. Then I want to bring down my next term and do this process all over again. So 2k to the second times what will give me 4k to the third? Well, that's just 2k. Then we multiply back and we get 4k to the third. 2k times 0, again, we just get a 0 here. And finally, 2k times 1, we get 2k. Again, I want to draw my line, change my signs. This is just 0. Here we get 8k squared and a negative 2k. And I want to bring down that last term, and I just need to do this one more time. So 2k squared times what will give me 8k squared? Well, that's 4. Multiply back, and we get 8k squared. 4 times 0 is just a 0k here. And 4 times 1 is 4. Draw your line, change your signs. And here we have 0. And here we have negative 2k minus 12. So that's going to go ahead and be our remainder. So we're going to go ahead and add our remainder up here. We have negative 2k minus 12 over what we're dividing by, which in this case is 2k squared plus 1. And again, that remainder is just added on there.